Good morning, seventh graders. This is Mr. Cahiga, and I wanted to go over the notes and the organizer with you this morning so you know and understand what is expected from Mr. Reynolds and I today. Before we can even begin talking about the documents that help to create the United States, we need to learn about what types of sources we learn about in history. That is what this organizer is going to teach us today. So on slide 1 are the directions. Number 1 is saying you're going to use the notes in this slideshow to complete the organizers on slides 5, 8, and 9. That is your assignment for these notes. So very quickly, number 2, in the word section, you're going to write the vocabulary term. As you can see here, every organizer has a word section. That is right here. That is where you will write the vocabulary term. Number 3, in the definition section, you're going to write what the vocabulary word means. So again, if we look at the organizer, your definition will go in this box right here. Number 4, in the example section, you're going to write examples of each type of source. So as you can see here, in the organizer, you have the example section. Every source you learn about today has examples on the following slide. So here, you can learn about primary sources, and then on the next slide are your examples. And then finally, number 5, in the picture of examples section, you're going to find a picture of one of the examples. So if you choose, you can choose to find a picture of photos that historians use, letters, interviews, newspapers, maps, artifacts. What I'm asking for here is in the picture, just to help you visualize what examples of each source looks like. You will put a picture, just one, in this box here that I've highlighted. Your vocabulary terms today are here. Your vocabulary terms are source, primary source, and secondary source. On slide 4 is where you will find the definition for source. On slide 6 is where you find the definition for primary source. And on slide 9 is where you find the definition for secondary source. Every vocab term and definition is followed by an organizer you are expected to fill out for the assignment. If you have any questions, you can always email me or visit me during my office hours today, which I will post shortly in the updates.